Today I'm going to show you how to install apps on your Sony TV. After I show you how to install these apps, if you stick around, I'll show you a few apps that you may want to install and check out. Okay, let's get right to it. First thing that you want to do is press the home button on your remote control. Then select apps, go to the Google Play Store, select a search icon, which is the magnifying glass. Enter an app name like Hulu or Disney Plus, select the app, then press install. Now here are a few apps I think you should check out. The first one is Locast. This is for those of you who want to get local channels on your TV and you don't want to set up an antenna. Check this app out. 3 other free and legal apps that are worth checking out are Xumo, Tubi TV, and Pluto TV. Again, these are free apps and they have lots of movies, TV, and sports channels. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If it was helpful for you, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.